Welcome back to Beautyistic. Have you ever been in a rush, looking for that perfect nail polish that not only dries in seconds, but also gives you that flawless finish with zero smudging? Well, that's exactly what we're checking out today with Sally Hansen Insta-Dri Twinkle Twinkle Quick Dry Nail Polish. If you're all about fast and flawless nails, stay tuned because we're diving into what makes this glittery gem a standout in the world of quick dry nail polishes. Sally Hansen Insta-Dri Twinkle Twinkle isn't just your average nail polish. This semi-opaque, glitter-packed formula promises to give you shiny, sparkling nails with minimal effort. The best part? It's designed to dry in just 60 seconds, giving you one less thing to worry about when you're pressed for time. Now let's break this down. The Insta-Dri line is known for its quick-dry technology, and Twinkle Twinkle is no exception. It has that signature 3-in-1 formula with built-in base and top coat, which saves you a step in your nail routine. The contoured brush is designed for a more precise application, ensuring that you can cover your nail in one quick stroke. And let's not forget the glittery finish. It's a fun, eye-catching way to add a little sparkle to your nails, perfect for any occasion that needs a bit of extra flair. Now for the fun part, testing it out. I applied the polish during my regular manicure routine, and I have to say, the formula really lives up to the hype. It went on smoothly with that contoured brush, and I was able to cover my nails in just one coat. I didn't need to go over any spots or touch up the edges. The glitter is definitely noticeable, but it's not overwhelming, giving you just the right amount of sparkle without feeling too bold. And the best part? It dried in less than a minute, just like the packaging promised. I didn't need to worry about messing up my nails while I went about the rest of my morning routine, which is always a bonus for busy days. Let's talk about the pros and cons. First, the major plus here is that it really dries quickly. The 60-second drying time is a game changer if you're someone who hates waiting for your nails to dry. Plus, the built-in base and top coat saves you time and effort, which we all appreciate. The contoured brush is another win, making application precise and easy. On the downside, the opacity is semi-opaque, so if you're after a full coverage look, you might need to apply a second coat. Also, the glitter finish might not be everyone's cup of tea. While I love a little sparkle, some might prefer a more understated finish. Now, when it comes to value for money, Sally Hansen Insta-Dri is definitely worth the price. Considering the 3-in-1 formula, the quick dry technology, and the ease of application, it's a solid product that delivers. The formula performs well compared to other polishes in the same category, especially when you take into account the added convenience of a base and top coat in one. In terms of alternatives, if you're looking for something a bit more budget-friendly, there are other quick dry polishes out there, but not many offer the same 3-in-1 convenience. Some competitors may offer faster drying times, but they often require separate base and top coats. If you're a busy person who doesn't mind a bit of glitter, this Sally Hansen polish is one of the best value options out there. When it comes to build quality, the polish itself feels solid in the bottle, and the contoured brush really makes a difference in terms of ease of use. As for longevity, the Insta-Dri formula holds up well. It didn't chip easily after several days of wear, though, as with any glitter polish, it's worth noting that the removal process can be a little more time-consuming. If you're a fan of Sally Hansen or just looking for a reliable, quick-dry option that's easy to apply, I'd recommend giving the Insta-Dri Twinkle Twinkle a go. It's a great option for those who want to save time, but still get a polished, glittery look. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you've tried this nail polish, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. We'd love to know how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.